Okay, so I was super excited when I saw there was an update. But that was not what I thought it'd be. This is what you get. April Fools. But you know, the water kind of looks like you're kind of using night vision or something. Like, I don't know, but I got really excited. I thought the map actually turned into the test server map, and I was like, oh, yay, they finally are starting to add the updates in. Really, honestly, it's just hilarious. Everything is just lifted up, and I do wish they made like the furniture float in the kitty pet house and stuff, and then like all the bushes like in the air, like it just looks glitched out or something. But this is even weirder. Like, just like with all these colors, I meant all these different like invert colors or something, whatever it's supposed to be. I don't know, black and white colors. So, ThunderClan is just terrifying, honestly. I'm just running around checking this place out. I want to go to the kitty pet house here. Ooh, slip. Okay. Oh, this is hilarious. Oh, okay. So like, this is, it wasn't like what I thought it'd be inside of the kitty pet house. The kitty pet house and all the furniture, like the kitty pet area looks pretty normal, and like the trees, there's like brown and stuff still, but everything else is weird colors and lifted the ground. Oh. Whoa! I don't know what just happened there, but that was weird. Okay. So let's go back to Rogues. I want to see if the Moonstone is maybe lifted up or something. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Honestly, I wish all these like trees and bushes were lifted up and stuff. Still laggy. This kind of looks like snow almost. The Moonstone is normal. It's not changed. Ow. So I don't know why I'm laughing. So like this is just hilarious. Wait, no, that was just a reflection. I don't even know if that just glitched, but it looks like it's turning around. I was like, whoop. The water looks like milk, and in the dip area, it almost looks like just night vision, but it's like milk. Like, cats get their milk now. Oh, I really thought that wouldn't, like, I thought that would have the, what's really inside of it. Okay. Oh. Stairs. It's hard to get up here. Yeah. Everything's normal here. Maybe that plant could have been, like, floating in the air, but it's, for a second when I saw, like, the thingy, I like the picture, I was like, oh, why is it black and white? Maybe they're glitch coloring it, and, you know, this is legit. Well, I hope you people enjoyed me exploring the April Fool's world. Bye!